In this week's court report, the Pahrump man arrested following allegations of child molestation stood before a judge in justice court this morning. Brian Patrick Hern is accused of molesting two children who are ages 8 and 12 following a forensic interview at the Nye County Child Advocacy Center in Pahrump. The suspected juvenile victims allege 30-year-old Hern sexually assaulted them during 4 accounts over the past 18 months. Following the claims, investigating NCSO detectives searched Hern's residence and found physical evidence that corroborated both victims' statements. Hern has been charged with 4 counts of sexual assault with a child under 14, 2 counts of child abuse, and 2 counts of lewdness with a child under 14. He remains in custody on $230,000 cash or bond. Hern's preliminary hearing is scheduled for April 6th. Charges are still pending for the local woman who was arrested after striking an on-duty security guard at the Grove. Debra Sunderland was taken into custody for suspicion of driving under the influence on Thursday. Court clerks say that although no charges have been filed at this time, Sunderland has an arraignment hearing set for May 24th. The Nye County woman charged with arson after reportedly plowing her vehicle into the VFW post made a plea agreement during her arraignment hearing on Monday. Susan Gayle Koskey entered a plea of no contest to the charge of first-degree arson. The court then informed Koskey that her no contest plea will be treated as a guilty plea for sentencing purposes. Thomas Vick, president of Veterans Post number 10054, stands by allegations in a complaint filed in district court, which states that Koskey's actions caused severe damage and shut down parts of the Veterans Post's operations. Koskey's attorney, Harry Gensler, made an oral motion for Koskey's OR release, which was granted by the court. Koskey is scheduled for sentencing on July 18th. The jury trial began Tuesday for Diane Davis regarding charges of burglary, obtaining and using personal ID, and offering false instrument for filing. District court clerks say that trial remains ongoing as of this morning. Davis also has charges pending in a separate case in district court in which she is charged with first-degree arson and torturing, injuring, and abandoning animals after a fire inside her home in July 2013, which reportedly killed 17 dogs. That jury trial in the animal abuse case is set for September 6th. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 46.